and financializing weaknesses. And that's at the positive various, not submissions. And that's the funding descending weaknesses. The consequences is very, very much the cool and the positive to help build the day by inflation, the leading U.S. crypto exchange in custodian. For 8 of the 10 spot ETFs reports its BTC reserves at their lowest since 2015, signaling a potential supply shock in the near future. And James Seifert, a Bloomberg ETF analyst, provided a detailed update on the record day, February 28, stating, update, we have a new record inflow for the Kentucky Derby Bitcoin ETFs. BlackRock's IBIT took in a record $612 million on its own. On a net basis, the group took in $673 million. This beats the day one record on $655 million. Also, EVIT crossed $9 billion in assets. The data shared by Seifert further illustrates the competitive dynamics within the Bitcoin ETF space. While BlackRock's IBIT led the charge with substantial inflows, Grayscale faced re-accelerating outflows totaling up $216 million. You stated this for big calls. In contrast, Fidelity's FBTC ETF recorded an impressive inflow of $245 million. Whale Panda, a noted figure in the crypto community, provided insight into the day's events, emphasizing the scale of BlackRock's inflows and the expected volatility in the market. We had an insane $676.8 million of inflows. Fidelity is going to hit $5 billion inflows either today or tomorrow, with BlackRock well on its way to $10 billion. He added the supply is super thin up here, so expect the more violent moves to both sides from here on. Once we hit ATH, it wouldn't surprise me to see $10,000 moves to either side in a day, move cautioning investors against complacency in the bullish market. And what's going, Eric Balchunas, another Bloomberg analyst, highlighted the trading volume associated with these inflows, noting, Riddick, the new nine, doubled their volume record set Monday, with just about $6 billion traded in big summer. Dollar said that today has not just needed even in the naked dollars. It's a non-record in big summer in 1955 as a 2009. Seton Balchunas' comments shed light on the sheer market activity driven by these ETFs, surpassing previous benchmarks and indicating a massive demand for Bitcoin investment vehicles. Notably, this is organic, as per Balchunas. I ask around to some market makers, and most say this volume is largely a function of natural demand versus algo arb type volume. Word is wirehouse platforms are seriously looking at adding them soon. I'm sure pressure is mounting for them. Mason Japa, CEO and founder of Blockware, contextualized the inflows within the broader market dynamics, particularly focusing on the decrease in BTC supply on exchanges like Coinbase. Coinbase's current Bitcoin supply continues to trend downwards. This is the lowest their BTC supply has been since 2015. This, paired with the halving coming up, paints a very interesting supply shock being realized as we speak, Japa noted. This trend is critical as reduced supply on exchanges, coupled with increasing demand, could precipitate significant price movements. As Coinbase's role as the custodian for major Bitcoin ETFs, including BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust, ARK21 Shares Bitcoin ETF, Bitwise Bitcoin ETF, as well as Grayscale, adds a layer in strategic importance to the exchange's reserve levels in a cloud mid-months. The recent correlation between Coinbase's spot premium and Bitcoin's price movement suggests that as ETFs continue to draw on the exchange's reserves, the market may witness tighter supply and heightened price volatility. Remarkably, with the halving on the horizon and exchange reserves dwindling, the market is potentially on the cusp of a significant supply shock. At press time, BTC traded at 62,408.